Anyway, welcome back to my channel. And oh, also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which was, just the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, well, we will just get on into this tutorial.
First, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm using the shade Weekender and just putting that in my crease. And then I'm taking this bluish shade and putting it in the outer corner and inner corner of my eyes, going for like a halo type look. And then in center we're putting the Poolside Morphe eyeliner pencil. And then we're going to use the NYX HD Concealer's Nude Beige to cover up my blemishes, and then Fair to cover up, or to highlight under my eyes. And then I'm going over it with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige. And then next I'm just using this NYC Smooth Skin Parfait and bronzing up. And then I'm going over it with a highlighter, which is the NYX Cosmetics Duochromatic Highlighter in Twilight Tint. And then I'm going in with the NYX Gel Liner in white, and I'm just putting that on my eyes. And then I'm actually going to be going back a little bit and kind of creating like little wings to kind of like look like a little unicorn's wings. Pegasus, he's so cute. And then I'm going to actually outline it, that way it stands out a little bit more with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And then I'm putting on some lashes, and then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette for my lips.
Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All of these were pretty good. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pure Vita bracelet or a SandCloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!